Now that we have installed WordPress in Cpanel, what we're going to do next is that we're going to do our first login inside the Cpanel to see what everything looks like. So this is the way to navigate to the Cpanel. That's your website name /WP admin. So we can just right click on this and open Cpanel. That is the default page for this particular option. And since we already we are still logged inside Cpanel, it takes us straight into our default WordPress blog. So this is what it looks like. And the reason why I'm doing this is because you might need to change up some few things. So we can just come up to this section and from Hello World, right click on it, open in a new tab, and this is a blog post. This is what your blog post looks like. It looks like this with the uncategorized categories and then Hello World. Let's say we just want it to remain as Hello World, your website URL, and Hello World, which is potentially your blog post title or even tags or whatever they're called. Now we need to change that inside here. So there's an option here called settings. We can just click on that and then go to permalinks. And once we go to permalinks, by default, it is set up as your website, category, and the post name. Your website, category, and the post name. So what we want to change here is that we want to change this to be in terms of post name, that is this particular URL and then your post name. And once you're done with that, since that's the permalink, you can click on Save Changes. Now, if we refresh this particular page, it's going to be Everyday Family Nutrition /Hello World. That's the first thing we can do there. We can also go to the general settings and see if everything is as we need it to be. Now, we have everything as we set it up. The site title, the tagline, where the website points, its HTTPS and all that. We can just scroll down and then maybe set time to your time zone. For us, it's I believe it's not UTC, but let's look at the different time zones available. Let's say we go to Africa, we go to Nairobi. That's the time zone that we want. That's the time zone that we want. And the date format, May 15th, time format. We can just have that on. And let's say everything is good as it is. Just click on Save Changes. And we've saved some of the general settings that we might need to change there. Anything we might need to change in terms of writing? I don't see if there's anything we need to change there. Your latest posts, discussion. You can have comments turned on or off, but for now, let's just hold out on this. Media, let's say privacy. These are the different privacy settings that you can set. Create a new privacy policy, and this is important so that you can tell people how or what you do with their information and all that kind of stuff. So they have a default privacy, I believe. For example, if you say use this page, you're going to use their particular page that they have provided there, just in case you need to use a privacy policy. So you can also read the policy guide and all that. So that's just the simple setup of some of the few things in there. We can just go to the appearance, and by default we have the active theme as 2021. This is the theme, this blue theme here. Just click on this. This is the theme we have. But we might need to do a logo, we might need to add a different theme, but that will come in more tutorials down the road. You can customize or even see the details for this particular theme, and whatever is available, you can see how you can make your customizations from here, etc. But let's just close that out because there is nothing that we've done there but you can see all the different themes that you want, and you can also add a new theme. What else can we do here? What plugins are installed by default? We have limit login attempts, hello Dolly. I don't really think this is important at all, but we're going to delete that. Kismet anti-spam, this is sometimes good if you want to avoid spam messages from automatic or bots accounts. That's a good thing. But by default, once you log into your WordPress blog, then this is what it looks like. It gives you the welcome to WordPress. You can write your first blog, add an about page, set up your home page, view your website, manage widgets, manage menus, turn on or off comments, and you can also learn more. We'll just scroll down. You'll see an update here. You might need to update your PHP from the cPanel. That might be slightly technical, and you might need to back up your website, but I'll show you how you can actually update this from the cPanel, and then you can see all the different things that are available in here. So that is just the default of what you might need to configure inside your WordPress blog. So stick around. In the next tutorial, what we're going to do is that we're going to change the theme for a particular blog.